Right, the peer group. Peer group is nothing but a template. Peer group is nothing but a template. What is a template? See, in the press, the printing press, they will have one template. In olden days, I'm talking about. Nowadays, we don't print like that. We have computers. Olden days, tadak, 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 one machine will be there. For one tadak, tadak, one page will be printed. The marriage invitation, housewarming invitation, anything that they want to print, they used to put all the necessary characters. They used to form a template. They used to write, but not with the hand, by combining words, alphabets. Have you seen some machine like that, printing press machine? No? Oh, you have seen. So that they used to do what? Before they print any card or a book, they first create a template, and then they will they'll apply the ink on it and then put the impression on pages. Up, 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 like that. So every time they no need to do what? Typing. They no need to type every copy. They have a template. Ink will be rolled on the words, characters, the template, and then that will go and fall on a white paper. The impression. That is what we call it as template. Template. Template is the one which is created so that you can reuse it 1,000 times, 10,000 times. So even if you want to print 10,000 copies, you need that one template only. That one template you need to just create once, only once. Put it in the machine, on it, and go sleep. When you get up, you will see materials printed. One small boy you need to employ for removing the paper and keeping the next paper. For every tadak, one paper should be out and one paper should be. Actually, they will put all the papers. Only has to remove the upper layer. Tadak, remove the paper. Tadak, remove the paper. Tadak, remove the paper. So as a owner, you can go sleep. The small boy, even he need not to be one educated. He can print all those 10,000 invitation card with zero knowledge on English. It's because template is given to him. Template is set. Likewise, when we have many neighbors with similar configuration to be done, many members with similar outbound policy, you got many neighbors to be configured with same outbound policy. So what you can do is you can create template. And call the template to each neighbor. So all the policies, outbound policies, you put inside the template. And then you call that policy the template to all neighbors. That's it. That's what peer group is. For example, if you see here, the left hand side box, how many lines you see? 3, 6, at least 12 lines you see, right? 12 lines. How many neighbors you see? Someone answer, no? How many neighbors in the left hand side you see? Only 3 neighbors. 3 neighbor. For each neighbor, 4 configuration. One is remote AS, the other one is update source, next one is next up self, the fourth one is distribution list. See, it is pointing towards outbound policy. So whenever you got same thing to be repeated for multiple neighbor, we need to create a template. See, if you don't have template, what problem, you know? For every line, a separate execution. 12 lines you have written, 12 times process would have been utilized, executed. Whereas on the right hand side, if you see, on the right hand side when you see, you got a template and you call the template under every neighbor. Every time you call template, only once the process is utilized. So how many times process is utilized in peer group? Only 3. For each neighbor, one time. It's the same configuration. What you see in the left and right is same output. But the difference is, with peer group, line of code is less. Line of code is less. Not only line of code is less, the process that get involved or used is only 3 times. Not only that, if you want to change some policy for all the neighbor, you need to simply go to the template and change it. You do changes only to the template, not to the neighbor. You don't disturb the neighbor command. You do the changes on the template, it gets changed on every neighbor. Please ask me a question if you have. Did you understand this very well? Did you understand this example very well? Clear, no? So you do the lab. You take like 5 routers or 6 routers in a autonomous system. Just leave the distribution list command, don't need. All the other commands you put. So this is the homework I am giving you now. You're going to do this and then show me the output tomorrow. Take a screenshot first. Have you taken the screenshot? So this is your homework. Let me send a screenshot for you. IP addresses between the routers you decide. You can use any IP.